The 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is a machine that bridges the past and the present, a motorcycle that brings back the soul of the legendary Shovelhead while integrating modern technology and engineering. This bike is a tribute to the era when Harley-Davidson defined the American road, a time when raw power, unmistakable style, and the rhythmic pulse of a V-twin engine were the essence of motorcycling. For enthusiasts who long for the days when motorcycles were built with heart and soul, the 2025 Shovelhead is a dream come true. It revives the classic aesthetic, the mechanical charm, and the rebellious spirit that made the original Shovelhead a legend. Yet this is not just a simple reissue. It's a modern reimagination of a classic, built with precision engineering and performance that meets today's standards. The design of the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead stays true to its roots while incorporating modern refinements. The distinctive Shovelhead engine design, with its iconic squared-off rocker covers, remains a centerpiece of the bike, paying homage to the machines that roamed the highways in the 1960s and 1970s. The frame, with its rigid lines and old-school stance, instantly transports riders back to an era when motorcycles were built for character rather than just efficiency. The tank features classic Harley-Davidson badging, reminiscent of the vintage era, while the fenders maintain that traditional bobber look. Spoked wheels wrapped in thick, high-profile tires complete the throwback aesthetic. But despite its retro appearance, this Shovelhead is packed with modern materials and manufacturing techniques, ensuring reliability and performance that far surpasses its predecessors. At the heart of this Reborn classic is the all-new 2025 Shovelhead engine, a modernized version of the legendary power plant. While the original Shovelhead engines were known for their unique design and deep, throaty sound, they were also notorious for leaks and mechanical quirks. Harley-Davidson has solved these issues with precision machining, modern gaskets, and advanced metallurgy. The new engine maintains the signature Shovelhead shape, but internally it's an entirely different beast. With fuel injection replacing the old carbureted setup, the engine delivers smoother throttle response and improved fuel efficiency while maintaining that unmistakable Harley-Davidson rumble. It features a displacement of 114 cubic inches, producing impressive torque and horsepower figures that bring modern performance to a classic concept. Advanced cooling solutions ensure that the engine runs reliably in all conditions, making it a viable choice for both long-distance touring and city riding. The 2025 Shovelhead isn't just about looks and nostalgia, it's built to ride. Harley-Davidson has integrated a modern suspension system that improves handling and ride quality without compromising the bike's vintage aesthetic. The front forks feature a hidden progressive damping system, allowing for a smooth yet responsive ride. In the rear, the bike retains the classic hardtail look but incorporates a cleverly disguised monoshock suspension system, absorbing road imperfections while maintaining the rigid frame appearance. Braking performance has been vastly improved over the original models, with high-performance disc brakes and ABS providing stopping power that meets today's safety standards. This combination of modern suspension and braking ensures that the 2025 Shovelhead is not just a museum piece. It's a motorcycle that can be ridden aggressively and confidently. A key challenge in reviving a classic like the Shovelhead is maintaining its old-school charm while ensuring it meets modern expectations. Harley-Davidson has achieved this balance with a blend of analog and digital technology. The instrumentation is a perfect example of this harmony. While the bike features a classic speedometer with a needle gauge, a small digital display subtly integrates trip information, fuel levels, and gear indicators. Headlighting is seamlessly incorporated into the vintage design, providing modern brightness and reliability while maintaining the traditional round headlamp and taillight look. Even the switchgear on the handlebars has been designed to resemble the simple mechanical feel of classic Harleys while housing modern electronics for convenience. Perhaps the most thrilling aspect of the 2025 Shovelhead is its riding experience. From the moment the engine roars to life, riders are greeted with the deep, rhythmic pulse of a Harley-Davidson V-twin, a sound that has defined generations of riders. The low-end torque is immense, giving the bike an authoritative pull that makes every twist of the throttle feel like a statement. The ergonomics are designed for long-haul comfort, with a wide handlebar stance, a well-padded solo seat, and forward-mounted foot controls that offer a relaxed riding position. Whether cruising through city streets or carving down scenic highways, the 2025 Shovelhead delivers a riding experience that is equal parts nostalgic and exhilarating. Customization has always been a fundamental part of Harley-Davidson culture, and the 2025 Shovelhead continues this tradition. Owners can choose from a variety of factory customization options, including different handlebar styles, exhaust setups, and paint schemes that evoke the rich history of Harley-Davidson. Aftermarket support for the Shovelhead is also expected to be extensive, allowing riders to personalize their machines even further. Whether it's a stripped-down bobber look, a vintage chopper aesthetic, or a fully dressed touring setup, the 2025 Shovelhead serves as the perfect canvas for individual expression. In a motorcycle industry that is increasingly dominated by high-tech, futuristic machines, the 2025 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead is a breath of fresh air. It reminds riders why they fell in love with motorcycles in the first place: the raw mechanical connection, the deep sound of an air-cooled V-twin, and the unmistakable silhouette of an American cruiser. Harley-Davidson has successfully brought back a legend, not as a relic of the past, but as a living, breathing machine built for today's roads. The 2025 Shovelhead is more than just a motorcycle. It's a statement, a rebellion against the overly digitalized world of modern motorcycling. For those who crave the soul of a classic Harley-Davidson but want the reliability of a modern machine, the 2025 Shovelhead is the perfect ride. It's not just a bike, it's a legacy reborn.